This is gonna help keep that sharp chocolatey flavor for us. If you're short on calories, this is the answer right here. It's the alternative to having to have multiple types of protein powder. Let's be honest, most Ninja Creami recipes you see online are either 700 calories of health food or they taste like a flavored ice cube, a shake and some sweetener poured into it. After making hundreds of these, I've realized you don't need a library of 50 recipes, although I have a few. You actually only need 3. I call this the holy trinity of pints. Whether you're deep in a cut and need a massive volume protein creamy, or you're struggling with late night cravings and need something that actually keeps you full, or maybe you just want a texture that's one-to-one with real premium ice cream. I've got the blueprint here. Today, I'm stripping away all the fluff and showing you the only 3 recipes you'll ever need to master this machine. The Black Raspberry Volume King, the Peanut Butter Texture Greatest of All Time, and the Late Night S'mores Satiety Master. I'm giving you the builds, the spins, and the full macro breakdowns for each one so you can stop guessing and start eating. Let's get into the building. And the good news for these recipes is that the base is going to be the same, so we can keep most of the ingredients consistent until we want to change the flavor profile. We're going to start here by pouring in 400 grams of our Fairlife skim milk. Then 4 grams of vanilla extract, 10 grams swerve granular, and yes, 10 grams of real sugar. Trust me, it's worth the calories. It makes the flavor so much better. It's only 10 grams, which is about 40 extra calories, but like I said, it's worth it. Dash of salt to bring out the flavor, half a gram of xantham gum, and there's our base. We're gonna make the easiest one first. All you have to do is add some of this black raspberry powder to the creamy base that we just made, and it's going to totally change the flavor in the most awesome way possible. This stuff is a little expensive. It's about $27 on Amazon, but you can make tons and tons of creamies with this because you only need 1 small serving of 4 grams that we're gonna drop in here. And this is the only protein powder that you're gonna wanna use in Ninja Creamis, the PE Science Gourmet Vanilla. We're gonna use 32 grams as part of our base. Quick spin in the blender, and as you can see through the magic of editing, we have our nice purple flavored deliciousness right here. I have our Ninja Creami cup that we're going to pour it in. We're going to freeze it for 24 hours. Of course, I have one already made for our taste test. Oh, always some spillage. That's what I get for trying to be fancy on camera. It's all right, it's only a couple macros. As you can see, we salvaged most of it and popped this in the freezer. Honestly, this creamy is so light. It's the actual cutting creamy. If you're going to have one, this is going to be it. If you're short on calories, this is the answer right here. Let's run it under some water for about a minute, then we'll go spin it up. So it's a little bit chalky icy, but we're gonna respin it and it's gonna be smoothie and creamy. And there we have a nice smooth Ninja Creami. You could have this by itself. I like to add some chocolate chips in there. Chocolate goes great with this creamy. Let me tell you, it enhances the flavor of the chocolate, enhances the flavor of the ice cream. I'm gonna put in 1 serving of chocolate chips here, hollow it out, mix in, then it's time to eat. This is definitely the cutting creamy. Chocolate gives it a great flavor. Black raspberry has a unique flavor. If you're not from New England, never tried this one, highly recommend you check it out. This is gonna be your new favorite cutting creamy. As you can see from the macros here. Incredible. Okay, 2 more to go. Next, we're gonna do our peanut butter cup ice cream recipe. Again, the base is the same, so we'll tear through those calories and then I'll explain the differences. And now we get to the peanut butteriness part. We're gonna start that off with adding in 13 grams of our PB2 powder. And before we mix this up, we're gonna add in 8 grams of our peanut butter. This is going to, yes, add some calories, but it's going to greatly improve the texture. That's why this recipe is going to be the texture king. Wait until you see it. Let's measure out 8 grams here. And we'll go blend this up. Blended it into our creamy cup it goes. Minimum spillage. We're gonna freeze it for 24 hours, of course, and then we're gonna have our mix-in, which is these Reese's peanut butter cups, unwrapped version. It's gonna enhance the flavor like you wouldn't believe, and it is just a great mix-in. Okay, here's our overnight peanut butter cup. Ninja Creami. Run it underwater, we'll spin it up and try it. Respin. That's more like it. All right, let's add in our mix-in. I like to put in 5 and hold out 4 to add on top. We're gonna drop these right into our carved out center here. Oh, baby. These pints fill up. What I did with the other Reese's peanut butter cups is I quartered them, so it just feels like you're getting more on top, so we'll just put these on there. Look at that. Look what the peanut butter, a little extra fat does. Makes it nice and ice creamy. Those Reese's peanut butter cups go so far in this, between the mix-in and the quartered topping. So good. A little bit higher in calorie, but the texture trade-off, absolutely amazing. You get something like this, it feels like you're actually having real ice cream. It's no wonder, real ice cream with tons of fat in it. Tastes so good, texture-wise especially, is awesome. This makes a big difference here, just with the 8 grams of peanut butter that we put in. Peanut butter heaven. Texture, excellence. Well, that's the first 2. I bet you can't wait to see this last one. And on to our s'mores recipe, where again, the base is the same. And we've moved our base to the side and we've measured out 12 grams of our Hershey's Special Dark Cocoa Powder. We're gonna do a technique called blooming the cocoa powder, which is going to enhance the chocolatiness, especially considering we are using vanilla protein powder in this one. So this is really gonna give that chocolate s'moresy flavor. What you do is you boil some water and then you add it to your cocoa powder that's already been pre-measured out, and so you get a nice paste. It's going to bring out the chocolatey flavoriness, and it's gonna give a great s'mores-like chocolate flavor that's going to be to die for. We're going to add a little bit of water at a time until we get the consistency that I'm about to show you. So what you want to do is get all the chunks out of your cocoa powder, mash it down with a spoon until it's nice and smooth. Then you want this type of consistency here where it just kind of drips off the spoon. This is going to help keep that sharp chocolatey flavor for us. And we'll go blend this. And that, my friends, is the alternative to having to have multiple types of protein powder. You can make chocolate protein powder with vanilla protein powder just by adding in a little chocolate. It's kind of like chocolate milk. All right, we're gonna let this freeze 24 hours. I already have one made, of course, and we'll try this one. This one might end up being your actual favorite. Quite honestly, this is the one that I am most looking forward to here. And if you want to mix and hack with the marshmallows, put them in your broiler for 30 seconds to 1 minute at the most. Definitely watch them, you don't want to burn them, but it's going to bring out that campfire-y, s'moresy flavor even more. One more respin. It's like it almost gave us our own little hole there to put the marshmallows and graham cracker in. I'm going to put about half of this in as a mix in, and then I'm going to put the other half on top. I'm gonna put most of the marshmallows in though. Oh boy, extra toppings on top, little chocolate drizzle, just very slight, mostly for aesthetics, but some for flavor, but we're gonna get plenty of chocolate flavoring because we bloomed that special dark Hershey's cocoa powder. This is the ultimate treat right here. This is why you stayed to the end of the video, because this right here, oh my, might be the best Creami in the world. Let's try it. Truly the hardest part about these Creamis is moving the camera around to get the right angles and, you know, before they melt. But anyway, this, oh, I gotta show it to you one more time. See that? That is deliciousness right there. That is a treat in itself. As you can see by the macros, it's not all that bad. This is actually a very reasonable, maybe higher calorie Ninja Creami, but for what you get in this, pure satisfaction, pure craving crusher, absolute bliss. Try a big scoop here. Oh, this is the real late night treat here that you want. And you're going to be so full after having this that you're not going to want anything else. There's no going back for seconds because you get to eat the whole thing. And that's the holy trinity of creamy pints, really. All the recipes are in the pinned comment. But look, if you've got your dessert game already on lock, you just got these recipes, so now you're good. But you need to fix the rest of your day, like maybe try my high-protein mozzarella sticks, or take a look at Will Tennyson's full day of eating that I just did, or any of my recipes, high-protein, heavy hitters. They're all in a playlist right here for you. Click that to keep the gains going. Grab the Craving Crusher cookbook in the description if you want the full breakdown, but I also put everything in the description box down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.